'Tis the season for giving, and what better way to show someone how much you care for them than by giving them a firearm for the holidays? But does the law allow you to do this? Before I answer this question, be sure to show your support for the Second Amendment and help spread 2A cheer this holiday season by clicking the like button below. Also, if you want to stay on the nice list, you better click the subscribe icon located in the bottom right hand corner of this video to subscribe to the Firearm Firm channel. It is perfectly legal to give a gun as a gift, but depending on where you live and where the receiver of the gift lives, it can be complicated. If you want to stay on the right side of the law, then you will need to follow these rules. If both the giver and the receiver of the gun reside in the state of Florida, it's simple. Just give the firearm to the lucky person just like you would with any other type of gift. Florida does not require any kind of paperwork or background check when gifting a gun. However, I do highly recommend you document the transfer of the firearm. This can be easily accomplished by writing the make and model of the firearm along with the serial number on a piece of paper with the date of transfer signed by the gift receiver. That way, if the firearm is later used in a crime or stolen, the giver of the gift will have a record that they no longer possess the firearm. What if you want to gift a firearm to a person who lives outside of Florida? Unfortunately, giving a firearm as a gift interstate is a bit more complicated, but you can still gift the gun under Florida state law. But you will now have to comply with the requirements of federal law, and you will have to check the laws in the receiver state to make sure you stay legal there also. Some things you need to consider are: can the person you intend to gift the firearm to even possess a firearm in their own state? Do they need a possession license first? These type of questions must be asked and answered prior to the transfer of a firearm gift. The most important thing to remember when giving a gun as a gift to someone who resides in a state other than the state in which you reside is that you cannot directly transfer a firearm between two private parties that live in different states. In order to gift a firearm to someone from another state, the transfer of the firearm must occur through a federal firearms licensee or FFL. Therefore, the firearm must be shipped to an FFL in the receiver state who will do a background check on the receiver before completing the transfer. It is important to know that handguns cannot be shipped through the U.S. mail. The United States Postal Service does not accept handguns at all. However, some common carriers may be willing to ship handguns, but unfortunately, as of August the 29th, 2022, neither UPS nor FedEx will ship a handgun unless the shipper is a federal firearms licensee who has a pre-existing shipping agreement with the company. Further, although the United States Postal Service will still ship long guns, neither UPS nor FedEx will do so for anyone other than the FFL. To ship a firearm, it must be unloaded, and you must inform the carrier that you are shipping a firearm and follow all their rules and requirements. What if the person you want to gift a firearm to is a minor? In Florida, the legal age to purchase a firearm is 21, but the restriction does not apply when gifting a firearm. However, the age of the recipient does play a factor in complying with the law. For example, if the gift is for a minor under the age of 18, you are required to get permission from the minor's parent or legal guardian prior to gifting the firearm. If you don't want to worry about breaking the law when gifting a firearm to someone, a gift card to a gun store in the recipient state is always a great option. If you have any questions about gifting a firearm this holiday season or any other time during the year, be sure to leave your questions in the comments section below, or you can email them directly to questions@thefirearmfirm.com. Until next time, stay armed and educated.